Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce Genius Wireless Vertigo Ergonomic Silence Mouse series. Now, there are two Ergo mouse in front of us. Here is the Ergo A300S, and the other one is Ergo 8250S. Let's introduce Ergo A300S first. We have two colors in this model. This one is iron gray, and the second one is black color. We can see it has 7 buttons. Those two can control page forward and backward. The middle one is using to adjust our mouse DPI. Our mouse has comfortable ergo design, especially the 46-degree natural posture. Please put 2 pieces AAA batteries when you are using them. Now, this model is Ergo 8250S. Also two colors. One is champagne gold, and the other one is silver gray. You can see there are 6 buttons too instead of 7. The small difference is only one DPI key in this model. It has 57 natural posture for our Ergo mouse, but only need to use one piece AA battery, which can work very well. Now, I would like to share our Ergo A200S. Ergo A200S has many different colors, like black, iron gray, purple, and chocolate. The difference in this silver one is using Type-C receiver. Here is the receiver for your reference. I also would like to share our Ergo A100S. The feature of this model is relatively slender than others. Here is the DPI switch key. In the last part, this is our new mini Ergo mouse, Ergo 9000S. It is dual mode, which can work with 2 Bluetooth devices and also one 2.4 GHz. Then we would like to introduce our 3 different wireless silence mouse, an X8000S, an X8006S, and the last one is an X8008S. An X8008S has totally 4 colors, black, white, blue, and red. This mouse has great shape for either hand user, also great design in the side. The silent click button is very quiet when we are using in any environment. The other two wireless silence mouse are an X8000S and an X8006S. Each of them has 2 colors, black and red. An X8000S has beautiful triangle pattern in its 2 sides. An X8006S has comfortable ergo design to put your thumb. Now we also plan to show you our Type-C mouse. Here we have an X8000S and an X8006S. Because of the market demand, we keep only black color for both of them. This is our Type-C receiver. After above items, Genius also have dual mode mouse, NX8000SBT. This model has two colors, black gray and white gray. This color design is to distinguish them from the previous connection ways. NX8000S BT is the dual mode mouse. It has 2.4G receiver and also can link two different Bluetooth devices by this button. To separate the different interface, we increase sticker to remind our customers. See, this is the Bluetooth sticker. And here is the Type-C logo. Those are standard 2.4G wireless silence mouse.